Here we go, making Daddy's meatloaf dinner. Put your hands in there. Mix it up. Learn how to make my meatloaf. What did you put in there?
Crackers, eggs, and what was that stuff?
Like onions and bell peppers.
Onions and bell peppers and
Seasoning.
seasoning and
Meat.
what was it?
Meat.
Meat
And milk.
and milk.
Okay, mix it up. Keep mixing.
Here's how Daddy gonna come in here.
Okay, in just a minute.
Daddy, come here!
Very good.
Oh my